What is the use of zip function in Python? In Python, the zip function is used to combine two or more iterables in a single iterator of tuples. Each tuple contains one element from each of the input iterables. Here is an example. We have a number which is a list containing three integers, letter which is a list containing three strings. We are applying zip function over these two iterables, number and letter, storing the result in the result variable. We are iterating over the result variable using for loop and printing it on the user screen. So for pairs in result, print pairs. When you execute this code, you get 1a, 2b, 3c as a output. In the above example, we have two lists of equal length, number and letters. We pass these two lists to the zip function, which returns an iterator of tuples. We then loop over the iterator and print each tuple. The zip function can also take more than two arguments. In this case, it returns an iterator of tuple with one element from each iterable. Here is an example. We have list 1 which is containing 3 integers, list 2 which is containing 3 strings, list 3 which is containing 3 booleans. We are applying zip function over these three iterables, list 1, list 2, list 3, and storing the result in the result variable. In the next statement, using the for loop, we are iterating over the result variable and printing it on the user screen. So for triple in result, print triple. This will print 1a true, 2b false, 3c true on the user screen. In the above example, we have three lists of equal length, list 1, list 2 and list 3. We pass these three lists to the zip function, which returns an iterator of tuple with one element from each list. We then loop over the iterator and print each tuple. The zip function is commonly used in Python for tasks such as data aggregation, matrix transposition, and parallel iteration. It is powerful and versatile tool in Python programming toolbox. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.